I want to dance with you in a crowd, everyone watching, and I wouldn't even see. I want to lay with you beneath the stars, and let the heavens witness all it means to me. I'm thinking about things that don't make sense, like the road that promised you. All of my life upon this fence, now it's time to face my fears. I want to be more than a man who loves you, more than the one you long for, more than the dream that wakes me up at night. And I wrote this song for, don't know where this is going, or what forever has in store. Well, I know for sure is I wanna be more. I wanna hold your hand as we walk the path along life's river, wherever it may be. And I wanna be the man to lift you up, wherever you're weary, give you everything you need. I can feel my heart pound inside my chest every time I hold you near. There are no words for love like this, but I know one thing is clear. I wanna be more than a man who loves you, more than the one you long for, more than the dream that wakes me up at night. And I wrote this song for, don't know where this is going, oh, what forever has in store. All I know for sure is I wanna be more. Say you feel it too, I will run to you. We'll face the music, loving endlessly, and we try to breathe. I wanna be more than a man who loves you, more than the one you long for, more than the dream that wakes me up at night. And I wrote this song for, deep in my soul, I pray one day, wind the back my head, ready for whoa.